SWOT Analysis.
A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to evaluate the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats involved in a project, business venture, or in any other situation requiring an organization or individual to reach an objective.
Understanding the components.
Strengths internal. These are the positive internal attributes of your organization. What does your company do well? What unique resources do you have? Weaknesses internal. These are the negative internal attributes of your organization. What could your company improve? Where do you lack resources? Opportunities external. These are the external factors that your organization could capitalize on. What market trends could benefit your company? What changes in the environment could provide opportunities? Threats external. These are the external factors that could harm your organization. What obstacles does your company face? What are your competitors doing?
Example, a small, local coffee shop.
Here's how a SWOT analysis might look for a small, independent coffee shop. Strengths: high quality, locally sourced coffee beans. Friendly and personalized customer service. Unique, cozy atmosphere, strong community ties. Weaknesses: limited financial resources, small physical space. Lack of brand recognition compared to larger chains, limited marketing budget. Opportunities: growing demand for specialty coffee. Increasing interest in supporting local businesses. Potential for partnerships with local bakeries or artists. Expansion of online ordering and delivery services. Threats: competition from established coffee chains. Fluctuations in coffee bean prices. Economic downturn affecting consumer spending, rising rent or operating costs.
Key takeaways.
Internal versus external. Strengths and weaknesses are internal to the organization, while opportunities and threats are external. Strategic planning. The SWOT analysis helps organizations develop strategies to leverage their strengths, address their weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. Versatility. SWOT analyses can be used for a wide range of applications, from business planning to personal development.
By carefully analyzing these four elements, businesses and individuals can make more informed decisions and improve their chances of success.